the juice section is this. Yeah. Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah. Wow. This one. Very nice. How much? Like if I don't eat. Oh. We have shampoo. How are you? You're okay? Hmm?
Oh, guys, guess what's here? We didn't expect it to be delivered today, but yeah, we're so happy it's here. Let's open it. May I do the honors?
Yeah, you may.
Okay. Deep, deep.
Yeah.
Wow, we didn't expect it to be this big.
Yeah.
Right?
I thought it was like a short one.
Yeah, I thought it was reaching up to here. I don't know, this house
Yeah,
is so small. But
Yeah, like it's so tiny.
yeah, it will be here, right?
The worst journey ever. I don't know what we'll have. Ah, yeah, yeah. And then yes, yeah. How much? Maybe 8. As we what is it? 4. Yeah. See if we can get from there. Let's see. Yeah. You know what I realized?
Hey guys, happy Thursday. I hope you guys are doing well. It's a beautiful Thursday afternoon. It's been a very busy Thursday. As you saw, my sister and I went shopping for the fridge. This is the first time we've had a fridge in a really long time, and honestly I'm so happy because oh my god, we had to buy, like, whenever we want to have protein like meat, we have to go to the supermarket almost every single day, which was so annoying. And now we finally have a fridge. I'm so happy because it's been a hard couple of I've been in Zambia now, I'll say 2 years. So these past 2 years has been really hard for us to adjust. My sister's been in Zambia for a year plus because it was almost a year that I was in Zambia that she decided to join me here. So it's been really hard. We backpacked and stayed in lodges for a year. For me personally, I stayed for a whole year. So imagine backpacking, lodging back and forth. It's been really hard. So yeah, we're finally getting things done. It's quite a small space because it's a student, like these are student apartments, so they're very tiny. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you all so much for subscribing, for liking, for watching. It truly, truly means a lot to me, more than you know. Sorry, I thought there was something behind me. It truly means a lot to me, more than you know. It boosts my confidence every single day, coming from someone who lacks confidence, especially in everything that I do, or something work-wise or creativity in short. Because I feel like because I was constantly told, in short, I wasn't good enough. So I believe that. So seeing this just boosts my confidence and makes me believe in myself again. So thank you so much. It truly, truly means the world to me. I truly appreciate that. And yeah, also something I wanted to say is someone told me that they didn't want to assume that I'm bleaching my skin, because my skin looked so discolorated on the camera, and I'm here to say no. It's because, for one, the lighting is different. Let me move in the shade and then you see I'm looking like this now, but in the shade I'm also looking like this. So the lighting sometimes can play a major factor in regards to how my skin shows, or even like the camera. How I look on camera is not how exactly I look in person, because in person I'm much smaller than I show. And sometimes people would think I'm a tall girl. I'm actually a short girl. I'm like 5'3" to 5'4" or something, I don't know, somewhere there. So you see, it's not what you think. It's crazy. Like, yes, I do have sometimes suffer from discoloration because I'm always in the sun, guys. You guys don't understand how much I'm in the sun, and no matter what, it doesn't matter whether you have no pigmentation in your skin. I feel like you will suffer from discoloration, especially with the sun here in Lusaka. So yeah, I feel like I'm allowed to suffer from sunburn, from discoloration, without any accusations. So I just wanted to put it out there, and just thank you guys for being here. I truly, truly appreciate you guys. Thank you.